In today's fast-paced, competitive business landscape, operational efficiency has become a critical driver of success. Companies are constantly seeking ways to optimize their production processes, reduce costs, and maximize profitability. One powerful tool that can help organizations achieve these goals is standard costing, a management accounting technique that assigns predetermined costs to products or services. While standard costing is primarily used for inventory valuation, and financial reporting purposes, its true power lies in its ability to enhance operational efficiency. By providing a benchmark for expected cost and performance, standard costing can help managers identify areas of waste, inefficiency, and opportunity for improvement. In this article, we'll explore practical ways to leverage standard costing to drive operational excellence and unlock hidden value within your organization. Establishing accurate standard costs. The foundation of any effective standard costing system is the accuracy and reliability of the standard cost information. Before you can begin using standard costing to improve operational efficiency, it's essential to ensure that your standard costs are based on realistic, up-to-date data. This process typically involves a detailed analysis of the various cost components that go into producing a product or delivering a service. This includes direct materials, direct labor, and manufacturing overhead. By carefully examining historical data, industry benchmarks, and anticipated changes in the cost structure, you can develop standard costs that accurately reflect the true cost of doing business. For example, a furniture manufacturer might review its material procurement records, labor contracts, and utility bills to establish standard costs for producing a particular dining room table. This exercise allows the company to set realistic targets for items like wood, labor hours, and electricity consumption, which can then be used to monitor and improve operational performance. Variance analysis for continuous improvement. One of the primary benefits of standard costing is its ability to facilitate variance analysis, the process of comparing actual costs to the predetermined standard costs. By identifying and analyzing these variances, organizations can pinpoint areas of inefficiency and take corrective actions to improve operational performance. There are several types of variances that can be analyzed, including material price variance, the difference between the standard price and the actual price of materials. Material quantity variance, the difference between the standard quantity of materials expected to be used and the actual quantity used. Labor rate variance, the difference between the standard labor rate and the actual rate paid. Labor efficiency variance, the difference between the standard hours expected and the actual hours worked. Overhead variance, the difference between estimated overhead costs and actual overhead costs. By closely monitoring these variances, managers can gain valuable insights into the root causes of operational inefficiencies. For instance, a favorable material price variance might indicate that the procurement team has successfully negotiated better terms with suppliers, while an unfavorable labor efficiency variance could point to issues with employee training, equipment maintenance, or process design. Imagine a food processing company that notices a significant unfavorable variance in its material quantity. Further investigation reveals that a change in the supplier's packaging size has resulted in more product waste during the production process. Armed with this information, the company can work with the supplier to find a solution, such as modifying the packaging or adjusting the production process to minimize waste and improve efficiency. Leveraging variance analysis for continuous improvement. Once you've identified the root causes of variances through your analysis, the next step is to implement corrective actions to address the underlying issues. This is where the true power of standard costing shines, as it can drive a cycle of continuous improvement within your organization. One way to do this is by using variance analysis to inform your Kaizen events or lean manufacturing initiatives. By targeting the areas with the largest or most persistent variances, you can focus your improvement efforts on the most impactful opportunities. This could involve optimizing material handling processes, streamlining production workflows, or upskilling your workforce to improve productivity. Imagine a plastics manufacturer that notices a recurring unfavorable labor efficiency variance in its injection molding department. The company decides to conduct a Kaizen event, bringing together supervisors, operators, and industrial engineers to analyze the process and identify areas for improvement. Through this collaborative effort, the team uncovers several bottlenecks, such as inefficient tool changeovers and suboptimal machine settings that are contributing to the variance. By addressing these issues, the company is able to improve labor efficiency, reduce waste, and enhance overall operational performance. Moreover, by tracking the variances over time, you can measure the effectiveness of your improvement initiatives and make adjustments as needed. This iterative approach helps foster a culture of continuous improvement, where every variance is seen as an opportunity to enhance efficiency and reduce costs. Optimizing resource allocation. In addition to driving operational improvements, standard costing can also help organizations make more informed decisions about resource allocation. By understanding the true cost of producing different products, or delivering various services, managers can prioritize their investments and focus on the most profitable and efficient areas of the business. For example, a manufacturer producing multiple product lines may use standard costing to identify the most and least profitable SKUs. Armed with this information, the company can then shift resources, such as materials, labor, and equipment, to the higher performing lines while exploring options to streamline or discontinue the less profitable ones. Similarly, a professional services firm can leverage standard costing to determine the optimal pricing and staffing models for its different service offerings. By understanding the standard costs associated with each service, the firm can make more informed decisions about the appropriate billable rates, resource allocation, and project profitability. Imagine a construction company that provides both residential and commercial building services. By analyzing the standard costs for each type of project, the company may discover that its commercial work is more profitable due to economies of scale and efficient material utilization. Armed with this insight, the company can then strategically allocate more resources, such as skilled labor and specialized equipment, to its commercial division while exploring ways to improve the efficiency of its residential projects, supporting strategic decision making. Beyond its operational benefits, standard costing can also play a crucial role in supporting an organization's strategic decision making. By providing a clear and consistent view of the costs associated with different products, services, or business units, standard costing can help managers evaluate the financial implications of various strategic initiatives. For instance, a company considering a new product launch or a business expansion can use standard costing to forecast the expected costs and profitability of the venture. This information can then be used to inform the pricing strategy, identify potential investment requirements, and assess the overall feasibility of the project. Similarly, standard costing can assist in make or buy decisions, where an organization must determine whether to produce a component in-house or source it from a third-party supplier. By comparing the standard cost of internal production to the quoted price from external providers, managers can make more informed choices that optimize the company's overall cost structure and competitive position. Imagine an automotive manufacturer that is evaluating the option to outsource the production of certain vehicle parts. By analyzing the standard cost of in-house production, including direct materials, labor, and overhead, the company can compare these figures to the quotes received from potential suppliers. This analysis can help the company make a strategic decision that balances cost saving, quality control, and supply chain reliability. Conclusion: in today's fast-paced, competitive business environment, operational efficiency is a critical driver of success. Standard costing, when implemented and utilized effectively, can be a powerful tool to help organizations identify and address areas of waste and inefficiency, optimize resource allocation, and support strategic decision-making. By establishing accurate standard costs, conducting thorough variance analysis, and leveraging the insights gained to drive continuous improvement, companies can unlock hidden value within their operations and strengthen their competitive position in the market. Moreover, the strategic applications of standard costing can help organizations make more informed decisions about product development, sourcing, and business expansion, ultimately enhancing their long-term profitability and sustainability. As businesses continue to navigate the challenges of the modern business landscape, the ability to effectively leverage standard costing will become increasingly crucial. By mastering this technique and incorporating it into their broader operational and strategic frameworks, organizations can position themselves for sustained success and growth.